Welcome to today's episode. In this video, we're going to learn the Arabic transliteration of some important family words. Grandfather,
شد
grandmother,
شدة
grandparents.
الأجداد
Everyone, no matter their age, loves their grandparents.
Before going further, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button.
In our last video, Rayhan and Rima arrived at their grandparents' house because their parents have decided to go for the pilgrimage. This morning, their parents had breakfast with them, gave warm hugs, and left as they have to take their flight.
Rayhan loves hearing wise stories from his grandfather, Shad, full of life lessons and smiles. Meanwhile, grandmother is busy with her evening prayers, her room filled with peace. Shidda. And Rima, she's in her room, deep into her toy world. In the kitchen, their kind aunt is preparing a delicious dinner. Now it's evening.
Grandparents.
Al-Ajdad are relaxing together in the living room, sharing a smile, enjoying the moment. Join us next time to learn steps of Hajj in order with Rayhan and Rima.
Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time with more fun stories.